Sorry, Daryl. Where are we again?
Bachelor Golf
This one.
Expressway.
Okay,
Yep,
cool.
Yep. Yeah, we got so many stuff to
Yeah.
figure it out.
Confusing in a sense.
Yeah.
Right.
We're gonna try and get over here to this McCoy Park.
Oh, over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna hit over here first.
Okay. Do you ski here much or board here?
First time.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah, first time.
I think if you can get to Beaver, the map's a little deceiving. I think you can connect from there and then work your way over, and then you know, I think that's how you do it. But yeah, I mean, you just basically want to be working your way near the borders left.
Yeah. You come here often?
This is our third day here.
Third day, nice.
Yeah, so we're got some familiarity, but we're still this is the first time over here. We've been over here.
Oh, you stayed on that side most of
pretty
it.
much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
This is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit some of these. I'm not gonna hit all of them.
Yeah.
Because I'm only able to stay one day.
There you go.
So I'm gonna hit some of this.
Yeah.
And I was told that this was relatively new.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I think so. So
this
McCoy Park, we were there earlier.
Okay.
And the deal there is that they pretty much didn't groom, so it's deeper powder.
Oh, is it?
But it's very shallow, like it's not that steep. So you can find, you know, like it was a little much for him in his non-powder skis.
Yeah. Okay.
But yeah, some people were lined up to get in there.
Okay.
So I don't know what it looks like now, but we got some of the first tracks in there.
Okay. I'll probably just do one or two just to check it out.
Yeah, you might check it. Yeah, it's not steep at all, but it's very pretty and like the kind of the thing is it's like a bowl for beginners.
Right. Right. Okay. Oh, awesome. This is cool.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
Boston.
Where's that?
What's that? Boston, Massachusetts.
Oh, Boston.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Long ways from.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the Northeast doesn't
What's a good resort over there?
For me, the best resort in the Northeast is Stowe. It's not like I've been to all of them up in Vermont.
Okay.
But you know, it's nothing like this. You know, it's way smaller. It rains too much. You get you know, you get ice from the rain. You know, like Stowe's actually had more snow fall than Beaver Creek or a lot of these other places.
Oh wow!
But the problem is it just
freezes over.
It melts. You know, like you don't have, and it's, you know, heavy wet when it falls. You know, it's just nothing like this.
Okay.
You know, so I mean, honestly, like I feel like nowadays you can probably only rely on natural snow at Stowe and other places in the Northeast for maybe like 3 weeks, 4 weeks out of the season.
Oh, jeez.
And the rest of the time, you're going to be, your best bet will be like your snowmaking.
Yeah.
And I mean, they don't have snowmaking on all the trails. I mean, it tends to be on
the main trails.
The main trails, you know, and they get kind of boring after a while.
Yeah. Running the same trail over and over. Yeah. Oh, but it's cool though. You guys are out here.
yeah, we're taking advantage of Colorado.
Do you guys come out a lot?
No, first time. So.
First time, okay.
Yeah.
No, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Adventure out.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Yeah, same here. It's my first time out over.
Where are you from?
I'm from Reno.
Okay.
So I go over to North Star, Heavenly.
Yeah, you got so good.
Yeah.
Good
So some good mountains there, especially with the Epic Pass.
Yeah.
And so this is my second season with the Epic Pass, and I was like, I might as well come out and check out the other mountains.
Okay.
Yeah. Last year I didn't go out to any other mountains because I didn't feel confident enough to hit any of the slopes.
Oh, okay.
So it was more or less, I guess you could call it my learning.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The previous season before that, I only did like 6 snowboard runs over a smaller mountain.
Okay.
And then that's when I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buckle down and actually do some training on my own. Okay. And then start learning and stuff.
Good. I'm glad you're improving. It's satisfying, right? When you
yes,
start,
it is. It is.
This
Especially
guy just skied his first blue today.
Oh yeah? That's awesome. Yeah. No, that's awesome. Once you get to the blue, you can't go back.
We'll see. We'll see. We're gonna take it easy. But enjoy the day.
You too. Stay safe.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Yeah, you too.
feeling?
Can I go with them?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, never mind.
Good? Too tinted? Like the...
Yeah, surprisingly. It's okay. But pick my spot.
Yeah, some of it, it's hard to see in certain light, yeah.
Yeah.
But we'll be able to look at the room, right? You can look through it.
Yeah, that's fine. Not a big deal. Has no effect on her voice. Like she is now. Really isn't.
Where'd you say you were going this summer? Portugal?
No, we're going out to Glacier for the summer.
Oh, okay.
We're driving out to Glacier.
Oh,
Trying to spend about 6 weeks between driving out there, a couple weeks at Glacier, and whatever the Canadian one right above it is.
oh, yeah.
Burton, Water, something like that.
Something, yeah.
Yeah,
I know what you're talking
so
about, yeah.
we're going to spend a week and a half, 2 weeks kind of in that area.
Nice.
And then 2-3 weeks driving back.
Yeah.
Go out in June.
Like touring, like go through the UP and stuff like
definitely Minnesota, Michigan, Wisconsin. Probably go up to do some Canada. We have friends in Detroit.
Okay.
Steph's got a friend in London, Ontario, Canada, so
Okay.
at least go through there, but probably stay north.
Nice.
I'll take maybe 6 weeks doing that.
Yeah, that's a great trip. Yeah. Glacier, have you ever been to Glacier?
No.
Oh, it's spectacular. That's one of my favorites.
It's what
The
everybody
views are
says.
spectacular everywhere.
Just hope there's people working there that we can get in.
Right.
I don't have to.
We definitely have to do
hide
going
under.
to the Sun Road for sure.
Yeah. We have.
I don't know
we're
if they require
staying-
passes now and time and all
I
that.
think they might, but we're staying at lodges on both sides.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
So with those, I think we get sort of like free chance to go across at least once or twice.
Yeah.
So
I know the one on the west end. I'm trying to remember what the one on the
Easton is.
Easton.
Yeah, I don't know. We're staying in many glaciers.
Many
over on
Glaciers.
the east side.
Oh, that's
and
great.
then we're
I know
staying
many
in
Glaciers. That's a great one.
After Lake or whatever it
Yeah,
is on the other side.
yeah.
So we set it so we have time on both sides.
Many Glaciers spectacular. You're right there, and great. We didn't. We stayed, there was another. Well, we didn't actually stay in one of their lodges. We stayed at a hotel. Well, on the other side. It was recommended. It was nice, but Glaciers was Many Glaciers was right there.
We actually sprung for a couple nights on both sides.
Yeah, well, you want
in
because
the
you can
park.
hike from Many
Yeah.
Glaciers. There's some great hikes there.
Okay. Stay outside sometime, but we were hoping that we would go up to Sperry Lodge. People said so much about going and hiking up to Sperry Lodge, spending a couple nights and going around. And so we had set this all up to do that. And then they sent us, then they're like, okay, Sperry Lodge opens July 8th. That's like We're going to be there like July 2nd.
Oh,
so it doesn't even open until a week after we're there. So.
Yeah, I hadn't thought about how late in the season.
Yeah, that's. So then we're like scrambling. We had to redo our plans and change some things. We can't do that anymore.
Yeah, I don't know what time of year we went. Probably, I guess it was late July or August.
Yeah, kind of looking forward to that because we haven't been out there. But
yeah, that's really spectacular. It's good you have plenty of time out there.
Time to drive back and see other parts. Try to go see the biggest ball of twine.
Sorry to interrupt. What was that? The largest what?
Ball of twine. It's more of a made up. I think there might be something. It's kind of like mid parts of America, like what's going on out there. They got Carhenge in Nebraska.
Oh yeah, Carhenge.
Carhenge.
Got the car sitting up like our,
It's like,
You want to cross and
so all kinds of.
That's interesting.
wacky little stuff, yeah.
So I figure we got some time.
crazy.
Like go see some of those things as we're driving across the country.
Wow. Where's that ball of yarn again?
I have no idea. I make that up as a thing.
Okay.
I have to look that up.
I'll have to look it up, yeah.
I'm sure the Google would tell me where the largest ball of yarn.
Point of interest.
Yeah. You just don't want to be driving along a road then find out. Like, if you had only driven 20 minutes, you could have seen the largest scrap metal, horse sculpture in the world.
Yeah.
It's like, you got to know these things as you're driving.
It's going to be pretty cool. Summer trip.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I hope so.
No, it definitely is.
Yeah, looking forward to it. The other thing is,
Yeah.
just don't have really a ton of plans in between. So it's like, if it goes bad,
good.
let's drive somewhere.
Exactly.
And if it's a good place, we'll stay here for a few days.
Exactly. Yeah. I'm starting to do that myself, planning it out anyways, in a sense. So this is my first trip, road trip, Reno, all the way out over here. Yeah, and then I'm going to head back. And after that, it's going to be towards Stevens Pass in Whistler.
Oh,
So I'm going to do that trip after I get back, and just to see the
Northwest of it?
whatever's along the way.
yeah, exactly.
The key thing I always say is always have a day or two buffer in there, just because you'll find that.
You want to do something?
Yeah, you'll want to do something like, oh, I wish I had more time. It's like,
Yeah.
So you have some more time, or you go somewhere like we do it, and there's a fire in the tunnel, and you get to spend another day on this side of the pass because you cannot.